Hi everybody! Today I'm making you a fall dessert. I'm trying this one out. I've made one like it before, some cupcake muffin things. So today I'm doing something a little bit different. I've started out with some spice cake. I've made it according to the directions on the package. I've filled up my pan about halfway. I have another one off camera because I needed to make two of them for the amount of the filling or the cake mix. What I'm going to do is add some cheesecake base, and this right here is the apple pie filling, and I've chopped it up a bunch so it's easier to scoop over top of each one. That's all there is to it. So I think I'm going to do the cheesecake first. I was hoping that the apple would kind of weigh it down. I don't know how it's going to turn out. This was just something I thought of. It sounded really good. So I'm going to throw it together. So I'm just going to top a couple of these for you, and then I'm going to do the rest, and I'll bring you back. Maybe I'll do these three, and then I'll spoon some of the apple pie mixture. Okay, so just like that, and let me finish these up and I'll be right back, okay? Okay, I have them ready, and I have the oven preheated to 350, and the last time I made something like this, it took about 40 minutes, so that's what I'm planning on. So let me get these in the oven and I'll show you what they look like after. Well, these were in the oven for about 30 minutes, and they look terrible. That's okay. I wasn't going to know how they were going to turn out until I tried. It was just something that I thought of. I think maybe next time I can try it as like an actual cake instead of the muffin. So maybe it'll be easier that way. But it smells really good, and I'm ready for a bite. I don't care how it looks. I'm ready to eat it. So I'm going to take a good bite. I got the spice cake, the cheesecake, and the apple pie filling. So here we go. It tastes really good. It looks horrible, but man, it tastes good.